Where's my best friend? Where is she?
Why are you keeping quiet? She's asking you.
I'm sorry, sir. We could not find her. We searched everywhere. Even asked people. We couldn't find them at the spot they used to be.
No! Where's my best friend?
It's okay. It's okay.
Do you mean that you didn't bring her home with you?
Mind you.
God!
It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. You know, when you cry, you shatter your father. Huh? They'll be found. Maybe they didn't come out today, or they went to eat while they are looking for them. So easy, okay? Don't cry, please.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, now both of you, go search for her, comb everywhere. Just make sure you bring her here. Come back. Don't worry, she's gonna come. Okay? Go everywhere.